Meaning of getting.
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 Getting. Getting is a verb that refers to the act of obtaining or acquiring something. It can also refer to the process of becoming or changing into something, such as getting tired or getting better. In general, the term getting implies a sense of progress or movement towards a desired outcome. It may involve effort, skill, or persistence in order to achieve the desired result. Whether it's getting a promotion at work, getting good grades in school, or simply getting enough sleep, the act of getting often involves setting goals and taking action to achieve them.